Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Audi A4. However, just like all German cars, this has been perfected with a couple simple mods, mainly cold air intake and turbo muffler delete. So, I have actually not driven this car yet. So, it's my friend Ashlyn. Ashlyn, if you're watching, thanks for letting me take this thing out. I have not driven this car. I absolutely love anything with a cold air intake. Alright, I've been instructed that, hold, that. Alright. Let's give this a whirl. Oh yeah, also, that's pretty cool. She was telling me about this. Found it on TikTok 2 a.m. and I think that is absolutely sick. It's a vinyl wrap, but it's stained glass. All right, I like that. You know, I wanted to go over there to try a launch control, and it's going to have me sit at this traffic light for years. This is just my luck today. This is how life works. Oh, look at that. Light's changing. Audi MMI multi-mode infotainment, I believe is what that stands for. No outlet. How am I gonna charge my phone? Alright, just do a quick loop-de-doo. Alright, we go left foot on brake. Hard down. Oh, fun times. Fun times with launch control. All right, manual, dynamic. These cars, people are gonna say, you know, I've driven the A3. They're like, oh, it's just a fancy Golf. You know what? A Golf's a good car. I don't care what you say. Golf GTI, Golf R, they're phenomenal cars. I always go back and forth with how I rank my German brands. The big three, Mercedes, BMW, Audi. I always go back and forth. BMW typically is my favorite, but I always go back and forth with where Audi ranks. I think I'm pretty safe in saying that Audi is just under BMW, meaning fun to drive, great luxury, whereas Mercedes is definitely more focused on luxury and not not the drive of everything. You know what? The more and more time I spend in these cars, the more and more I love them. They're just... For a daily driver? What else do you need? Honestly, if you're sitting here, yeah, I daily drive a Hellcat. You know what? It's stupid. It's an absolute stupid car. It's a one-trick pony. Something like this, you can have so much fun. And Ashlyn, the owner, has some plans for resonator delete, hollowed out mufflers. I need a turbo car now because I need to make those noises. I don't care what turbo car. I don't care if it's a Ford Fusion with a 1.3 liter turbo 3-cylinder. It needs to make those noises, and I need to put a cold air intake on it. And I'm done. I am happy. Genuinely happy. You know what? Ashlyn, I see why you did these mods. That's so addicting. You know, something like this makes me question if you need the S4 to have fun. You really don't. What? Everybody says, oh yeah, you need a V6, need this, need that. Guys, this is a Turbo 4, and I'm genuinely having a boatload of fun in it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.